Milk and honey are full of nutrition. But when you take these both together, they provide surprising health benefits. In this video, we will show you the amazing benefits of drinking milk with honey, and also how to make this amazing drink. We will request you to watch the full video and don't skip. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get our future updates. At first, let's make this honey and milk drink. You need a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. That's it. Mix well and drink. You can drink this at your breakfast or at night 30 minutes before going to bed. You will start noticing benefits from the next day. Number 1. Skin care. Both honey and milk have antimicrobial and cleansing properties. Use of honey mask is effective for relieving acne. These properties are enhanced when these are taken with milk. Numerous cleansers are prepared with milk and honey because the mixture gives the skin a healthy glow. Number 2 is in digestion. Honey is a good source of probiotics. It helps beneficial bacteria to grow and develop in our intestines and digestive system. Number 3 boosts stamina. A glass of milk and honey every morning is known to improve a person's stamina. While milk contains protein, honey contains the necessary carbohydrates, which required for an effective stimulus for the metabolism. Milk and honey together provide great strength to everyone, including children and the elderly. Number 5. Better sleep. Honey and milk have both been traditionally used as remedies for insomnia and sleeplessness. When you drink milk combined with honey at night, it promotes tryptophan to be released into the brain. So you will fall asleep within 5 minutes and your sleep will be more sound and deep. Number 5. Anti-aging properties. The combination of milk and honey makes you more young and youthful. It also provides a natural glow in your skin. Honey and milk makes an amazing antioxidant which will prevent skin degradation, wrinkles and blotches. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.